Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Focus channel. Sometimes you may face with large data set and in this case you may need to make your table scrollable. In this video I am going to show you how to make table scrollable both horizontally and vertically. For this purpose I already created a folder with the name of table. I'm going to open this directory which has an empty index.html file and the VS Code. Write code and dot, you will open this directory in your VS Code. To generate HTML boilerplate code, I write exclamation mark and press the tab to generate this code for me. I'm going to change this title to Scrollable table. Inside the body, I'm going to create a div with class of container, and inside the container I'm going to create a table with the class of scrollable table. Inside the table we have table header, and I'm going to create table header with the class of table header. Inside the table header we have one tr with ths th, and let's write header 1 and copy paste the header to make more th. I'm going to just change this number and one more. Okay, after the table header we have table body. I'm going to give the class of table body. Inside the table body we have many tr with tds. We can write content 1. Let's copy paste this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 according to our table header. Let's change this number for readability. I think it is one more. Let's remove this one, and I'm going to copy paste this one. Okay, let's see our table on the browser. Okay, now we have our table here in the browser, but there is no padding, there is no border, there is no scroll. So to make this table a beautiful table which should be scrollable horizontally and vertically, we need to write CSS. Okay, I'm going to create another file by the name of style.css. Inside this file I'm going to write the CSS for the style for the table. First let's target our container, and I'm going to write text align center and give some padding to the container. I think this should be enough. And let's target our scrollable table. Scrollable table, and now let's write a style for the table. If we want to make a table scrollable, the display of the table should be black because the overflow work with black elements. display of the table equal to block, and overflow of the table should, I'm going to uh, put it to auto, but if you want only horizontal scroll, you can write, you can change your overflow to X. If you want only the vertical scroll, you can change this to Y. But in this case, I need both of them, so I will put overflow to auto, and let's um, let's see, the border should be collapsible, a single border for the table, border dash collapse, and let's also define a specify the weight and height for our table. I think weight should be 555, and I'm going to hit this table 222 pixel, and margin 0 auto to make our table in the center of the, to show our table in the center of the web page. Let's link this style in the header. Style.css. Let's see the result. Yeah, now we have horizontal scroll, but as the weight is large, but we don't have, and we have enough weight, so there is no horizontal scroll. I should change the weight of the table. I think it will be 444. Yeah, now we can have the horizontal scroll also in our table. Okay, so let's make this table a little better. And now I'm going to target the table header. Table header class, and write some CSS for our header. Position of the header should be sticky, and I'm going to should be stick on the top. So in this case, top should be 0, and I'm going to make its form weight bold to make to look better. And also let's put some background color. Well, it should be green, and the color of the table should be um, giving yellow. So let's check that. Okay, now I'm going to give some style to th and td. Let's give border to our table, solid, maybe not green, maybe black. Okay, so let's see that. And let's also add some padding to our cells. 16, 8 with top and bottom, and 16 with the left and right. And white space, as we make our table scrollable, the white space should be no wrap, because the table is scrollable and we don't want to break our word down. And let's see the result. Okay, now we have scrollable table horizontally and vertically, and it is working. Also, let's write some code for our for table body, for tier, I think. Yeah, Let's target the TR in table body and table header. In this case, we can write like table body and table header and table body TR. Let's make the weight of the TR depend on the table, not the table content. Maybe when sometimes we are changing the header may have some extra text or large text. So in this case, the TD and TH will not sync. So if you want to sync, so the table weight, the TR weight should be depend on the table, not depend on the table content or table cell. In this case, I'm going to give 100 weight for the TR, and the layout of the TR should be the table layout should be fixed. Now the table, the TR weight or depend on the table, not on the table cell. So the content should be synced to each other. Okay, let's give some style to our scroll also, because I'm going to make it looks better. In this case, we have some pseudo CSS elements. So WebKit, I think WebKit scroll bar, and I'm going to give some weight for our scroll. I think it is 8 pixels. Okay, and also give some height. 10 pixels is okay, and cursor should be pointer when we are scrolling. And let's give some color also for our scroll thumb. WebKit yeah, scroll thumb should have a background color. I think background, yeah, let's put green, and border radius to look a little bit better. Yeah, it is 5 pixels is enough, I think. Okay, now we have a scrollable table which you can scroll horizontally and vertically. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe to the channel.